Okay, my crazy paving linen Travertine pallets have arrived. So that's how they've come. And then inside, they're all just stacked on top of each other. Okay, I've laid some out just so I can get some good pieces for my pool coating. That's what she's going to sort of look like once they're all glued down. But the first part I'm going to do is obviously the pool coating. So I'm going to just do the one row right around the pool. And then I'll do all the other crazy paving. Because when I do the first pool coating, then I can feel the pool up. Anyway, so I'll do the pool coating first. And then I'll do the rest. Okay, I've roughly done the coping tiles, or just set them out. Just got to cut some to make them butt up a bit better. And just some of the edges I might have to just grind. Most of them they look rough, but they're actually quite smooth. But I don't want a straight cut. So I still want to have this look that you're seeing now. Walking on the tiles. But anyway, that's sort of what the pool coating is going to look like. So I'll go ahead and cut some and place them back down. Okay, I thought I'd show you how I'm cutting all the stones. All I'm using is a angle grinder, and I mark the tile and then I cut it. But there's a lot of dust, so you've got to wear a dust mask. So that's how I do it. Okay, also what I've got to do around the pool is I'm going to swap my plastic skimmer lid for a hide inlaid lid. Now that's the lid for the skimmer box, and also I've got two electrical cables from the pool lights that come up onto the footpath around the pool. So I brought some small ones of them too. So I've got two of them. They're 156mm square, with the skimmer box is 342 millimeters. Now what you get in it is a handle, some adhesive, and your two trays. Now this tray has the stone put in it, but I'll show you that when I cut the stone. And then this tray actually gets glued on the footpath area around the pool, and then this will go inside. So the stone's in here, and the base is glued to the footpath area, and then I have a key for when I put my stone tile in. I put the key in, turn it around, and then lift it up. But I'll show you all that. And then obviously the small ones, very small, and exactly the same. So I'll put a stone in and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, that's what they look like with the stone in. Then all you do is put the key in, turn it, and it lifts up. And the same with the big one, and lifts up. So I'll show you what they're going to look like, or where I'm going to put them out in the pool area. Okay, that's the base for the skimmer lid, but all this will go, and this will go, and I've just got to embed this a bit more into the concrete to get to the right height of the tiles. So picture that gone. And then over here, this is my access cover. Now under here is my wires, because I have the pool light on the other side. And this will sit here, like so. And then when I've got to access the wires for some reason, I'll just lift it up. Doesn't want to lift up with one hand, but that's what she's like. Thought I'd give it another go, and then that's it, and then that's what it's going to look like. So that goes back in, which I should use the key. But anyway, that's what I'm doing. So this will all blend in with the tiles. Now I've finished all my coping tiles. So all I've got to do now is glue them in with adhesive, or glue adhesive, and right around the pool. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, all my coping tiles are now being cut. The next step is to actually put adhesive down. Now, what I've actually done is I've marked every tile so I know where they're actually to line up, and then the arrow pointing up, because I've got to move all these and let it dry out a little bit. And I've marked the outside so I know how much adhesive or where to put the adhesive. So I'll go mix up the adhesive. Okay, I've moved all my coping tiles now, as you can see where the lines are. Just got to sort of dry them out a bit. So all the way. Okay, the glue I'm using to set these stones is a product called Stone Set. Now it's from RLA polymers. Now this is a white polymer modified. It's like a cement. But anyway, I'm going to mix that up so we can lay the tiles. I'm about to start laying out the adhesive, and also I'm going to butter the back of the tiles as well, and I'm using a 12mm trowel. So that's how I'm doing it. I won't keep recording because it's going to take forever. Okay, all my pool coping tiles are done. All glued down. Right around. So the next step I'm going to do is grout underneath. And that will finish the pool tile. So the grouting I'm going to do is up against the top of the tile where you can see the gaps. Some you get sort of bigger gaps than others. But anyway, I'll grout all that and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I finished all the grouting underneath the coping tiles. So I don't have any gaps other than the gaps between pavers, which will be using the same grout I use in the pavers. So that's what she's looking like.